Hey friends, I'm Emily Fraser with the Fraser team at Pyatt Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to my newest listing at 1154 Wightman, set on a beautiful tree-lined street in the coveted Squirrel Hill neighborhood. Let's check it out. Fellow history and architecture lovers, your opportunity has arrived. This 20th century Queen Anne style home features an abundance of original Victorian details and impressive craftsmanship. Thanks so much for taking the time to tour this special home with me. For any questions or to schedule a showing, reach out to me at the information below.